Mortgages with bad credit in the UK. Maybe you have bad credit and are based in the UK and you would like to get a mortgage. There are mortgage lenders that provide mortgages if you have bad credit. In this video, I'm going to provide you with my 5 best tips on how to get a mortgage with bad credit in the UK. Let's go. Tip 1. Understand the bad credit you have. Mortgage lenders will provide you with mortgage options based on the bad credit that you have. But you must understand what your bad credit looks like, because if you have 2 defaults or 3 defaults, this will affect the mortgage lenders that can help you. So it's very important to take note of how many defaults you have, how many county court judgments you have, when they were registered, if they are satisfied or unsatisfied, how much is their value, how many missed payments do you have, and so on. This will enable you to pair yourself with a mortgage lender who will provide products that reflect the level of bad credit that you have. If you want to make it even easier for yourself, just download our free mentorship program, Bad Credit File Expert Lite, which will give you an already made template so you can take everything down yourself so you know exactly where you are. The download link is in the description below. Tip 2. The further away your bad credit is, the more chance you will have with bad credit mortgage lenders in the UK. Bad credit mortgage lenders will give you mortgage options as long as you haven't had any bad credit for at least 6 months. However, the rates and the deposit required at this level will be higher. The further away you go without any bad credit, so if you get to 1 or 2 years worth of clean runway without any more bad credit, more doors will open with more options of bad credit mortgage lenders. The better rates will be and the lower the fees. Tip 3. If you use credit cards, then be sure to put them on direct debits, because relying on your memory to pay the direct debit could cause you to miss a credit card payment, and therefore you will have more bad credit on your credit file. Anything finance related payments that will appear on your credit file, such as mobile phones, utility bills, broadband, credit cards, loans, you want to try and avoid missed payments with. Once you get missed payments, they can then turn into defaults, they can then turn into county court judgments, and then they can then turn into IVAs and bankruptcies. Missed payments to utility bill providers are the most minor forms of bad credit you can get, and if you go to the other end of the scale, then IVAs and bankruptcies are the heaviest forms of bad credit, which require the most work in preparation. But whatever your situation, there is always a way out. Tip 4. Try and avoid, if you can, debt management plans and payday loans, because they add another 12 months onto the clock in regards to getting a mortgage with bad credit. With payday loans, the mortgage lenders will state that it has to be paid off at least 12 months ago before they will consider you for a mortgage. With debt management plans, you have to have the debt management plan in place for at least 12 months without any missed payments until a bad credit mortgage lender will consider you for a mortgage. Tip 5. If you have had bad credit, you need to be patient. Understand your credit file is a reflection of your credit history for the last 6 years. Once a bad credit item on your credit file is older than 6 years, it will be completely removed from your credit file. If you can get to the point where the last 3 years of your credit history is clean, you're going to have some good bad credit mortgage options. The deposit, the rate, and the fees that you are going to need for a bad credit mortgage is going to be higher. So I would certainly prepare yourself for that. You may have some minor bad credit and therefore only need a 5% deposit. Maybe you need a 10 or 15% deposit and sometimes a 20 to 30% deposit. In order to find out the deposit you need and your mortgage options with bad credit, just download the free mentorship program, Bad Credit File Expert Lite. The link is in the description below. So I hope you found today's video useful. If you are in the UK and would like to get a bad credit mortgage, you can of course book a free chat with me to discuss your mortgage options with bad credit and our brand new paid mentorship program that will mentor you from bad credit to home ownership. The link is also in the description below to book a free chat. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. So Thanks for watching today. Hope you found it useful. Any questions, just hit me up in the comments below. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one.